home straight. I went to a mall. Yeah, from the hospital I decided to go to a mall. I told you guys to check out some things, and I don't know, this very mall, I don't think they have H&M here. You know, I told you guys I was going to go to H&M, so I don't think H&M is here in this very mall. Z, Arabia, yeah, I don't think they have it. So guys, stay tuned and I'll show you guys more things here. Yeah. So guys, I am back. I am back, y'all. Yeah, I'm back from the shopping I just showed you guys. Yes, we ended up buying the bicycle for Z. Yes. She didn't want to leave it and go, so we ended up buying it. Though this cycle is from 2 years and she's just a year and 6 months, so we'll just leave it till when she's old enough to use it or something like that. I don't know, she grows very fast. She's taller than her age mate. Yes, according to what the doctors tell me, your baby is taller than the age mate because they have everything statistically on the system. Once you just put in your name, they see everything about you. So statistically she's taller than her age mate. Yes, so we ended up buying the cycle to show you guys now. So this is it. I just dropped